Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Lights on your modem and router should be stable. If not, power cycle now. Then, connect your computer to 5 GHz Wi-Fi or plug in Ethernet for a stronger link. This directly reduces packet loss. Once wired or on 5 GHz, quit bandwidth-hungry apps like cloud backups, video streams, and big uploads so Zoom can get priority. You do this to lower contention. Make sure the device is the only one running the meeting-critical app before moving to deeper checks. Now you diagnose the connection, run a speed test, and confirm upload and download meet Zoom's needs. If speeds are low, identify congestion. Next, log into the router, enable or configure CoS to prioritize Zoom traffic or your device IP. This shapes bandwidth when multiple users are active. Once done, disable VPNs and proxies that add latency and set DNS to reliable servers like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to speed name resolution. Make sure to note firmware updates and finish by restarting the Zoom app. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall to remove corrupted settings. Join a Zoom test meeting to confirm audio, video, and observe packet loss or jitter. This shows if the network is the culprit. If you still see issues, switch to audio only or connect via a mobile hotspot to isolate the home network. One key troubleshooting tip. If intermittent lag happens during peak hours, schedule meetings at lower traffic times or ask others to pause heavy usage. This often resolves persistent congestion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.